Methods of solving quadratic equation. A quadratic equation can be solved by the following methods: A. Factorization method or splitting the middle term. B. Completing the square method. And C. Quadratic formula. Now let us understand these three methods in brief. A. Factorization method or splitting the middle term. The following steps are used to find the solution of a quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by factorization method. Step 1. Find the product of a and c and write as a sum of its two factors such that the sum equal to b, that is ac is equal to p into q and p plus q is equal to b, where p and q are factors of a, c. Step 2. Split the middle term using p and q such that it represents the term bx as px plus or minus qx. Step 3. Group the pair of terms and write it as product of two linear factors. Step 4. Equate each factor to 0 to get the required roots of the solution. This method is not applicable to all types of quadratic equations. Let us understand this method with the help of an example. Find the roots of the equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 by factorization method. Solution. Given equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term minus 5x, we get 2x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0, which is equal to 2x into x minus 1 minus 3 into x minus 1 equal to 0, which gives x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Further simplification of this will be x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Transposing constant to the other side, we get x is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 3, which is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1, 3 by 2. Now let us understand the second method, that is completing the square method. Every quadratic equation can be converted into form x plus a whole square minus b square is equal to 0 by adding or subtracting the same terms. This method of finding the roots of quadratic equation is called the method of completing the square. The following steps are used to find the solution of a quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by completing the square method. Step 1. Divide the equation by a, that is x squared plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0. Step 2. Rearrange the equation so that constant term c by a is on the right hand side. X squared plus b by a x is equal to c by a. Step 3. Add 1 by 2 of b by a whole square to both sides to make LHS a perfect square. That is x squared plus b by ax plus 1 by 2 of b by a whole square is equal to minus c by a plus 1 by 2 of b by a whole square. Step 4. Write the LHS as a squared and simplify the RHS. X plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b squared minus 4ac by 4a square. Step 5. Solve it. Example. Find the roots of the equation 5x squared minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. Solution. Given equation 5x squared minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. First, divide the equation by coefficient of x square, that is 5. We get x square minus 6 by 5x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 0. Transpose the term 2 by 5 to the other side of the equation. We get x square minus 6 by 5x is equal to 2 by 5. Splitting the middle term, we get x square minus 2 into 3 by 5x is equal to 2 by 5. Adding 9 by 25 on both sides, we get x square minus 2 into 3 by 5x plus 9 by 25 is equal to 2 by 5 plus 9 by 25, which implies x minus 3 by 5 whole square equal to 10 plus 9 by 25, which implies x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 19 by 25, which implies x minus 3 by 5 is equal to plus or minus under root 19 by 25, which implies x minus 3 by 5 is equal to under root 19 by 25, or x minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus under root of 19 by 25. X is equal to under root 19 by 5 plus 3 by 5, or x is equal to minus under root 19 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Further simplification of this will be x is equal to root 19 plus 3 by 5, or x is equal to minus under root 19 plus 3 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus under root 19 by 5, or 3 minus under root 19 by 5. Now let us understand the third method, that is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is used to find the roots of a quadratic equation and is given as x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. We can derive this formula by following the same steps as in completing the square method till step 4. The step 5 will be if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then by taking the square roots, we get x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is, x is equal to plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b by 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Example, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of plot is 1 meter, more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Solution. Let the breadth of the plot is equal to x meters. Then the length of the plot is equal to 2x plus 1 meter. Since area of rectangular plot is equal to 528 meters square, which implies x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 528, that implies 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 528. Substituting the above values in x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. We get x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 528 by 2 into 2, which equals x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 plus 4224 by 4. By simplifying, we get x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 4225 by 4, which equals x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 65 by 4. Solving this, we get x is equal to minus 1 plus 65 by 4, or x is equal to minus 1 minus 65 by 4. Since breadth cannot be negative, so x is equal to 16. Therefore, the breadth of a plot is equal to 16 meters and the length of a plot is equal to 2x plus 1, that is 2 into 16 plus 1, which is 32 plus 1, that is equal to 33 meters.